Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Haier air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner. With its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. Since the cooling mode is most used, we will start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, it is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want your air conditioner to consume less energy, then keep the temperature between 24-25 degrees Celsius. This is the fan button of the air conditioner, and with its help we can change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can select low speed so that the fan noise does not disturb you in the bedroom. You can use the swing button to move the blinds of the air conditioner or stop it in any position. We press mode button and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode. It is used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode of the air conditioner. In this case, we set the air conditioner temperature to 26-27 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner fan speed to the auto fan speed mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. At the same time, the outdoor unit will be covered with snow only when the air conditioner temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, we press the fan button several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the fan switches to this mode. Press the mode button again and the fan icon will appear on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. Press the mode button again and this symbol appears on the screen. This is the auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will always try to keep the temperature in the house around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is higher, it will work in cooling mode. Press the mode button again to return to cooling mode. Now I will show you how to use the other buttons. Sometimes we set the temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius when we lie down in our bed. Sleeping in a room with such a temperature can sometimes cause a cold. To prevent this, it is recommended to use sleep button. When the sleep button is pressed, a crescent moon and star symbol will appear on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. Therefore, this mode allows for a comfortable sleep mode. To exit sleep mode, you need to press the same button again. This button is used to raise the temperature, and this button is used to lower it. To set the clock, we press the clock button, and after setting the clock with the help of these buttons, we confirm with the set button, like that. The lock button deactivates the button. To activate them, you need to press the same button again. Sometimes you need to press the reset button for the remote control to work properly. Now I will explain the timer mode. This air conditioner has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on is for programming the start of the air conditioner. Timer off is used to turn off the air conditioner at a certain time. For example, if we want the air conditioner to turn on at 6 p.m., we press the timer button once, and after setting it with the help of these buttons, we confirm it by pressing the set button, like that. Our air conditioner will turn on at 6 p.m. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off at 4 a.m., when we press the timer button twice and set the timer off mode to AM4 and confirm it with the set button. To exit these modes, you need to press the timer button again. Thank you for following us until the end.